bakery, baby? What you gonna get? Show mommy the paper. Get cupcakes. Inside the bakery. Jules, are you excited for our bakery?
Thank you so much.
Look at the herringbone wood. That's so cool. Yes.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
I have 3 cupcakes and a silo cookie for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming, guys. Have a good one.
You too.
Woo. You got it. You got it, Mama. Let's go eat our cupcakes. We're now leaving the Magnolia Market, the SILOS, and now we are off to
Back to Houston.
back to Houston. But first, we're gonna go
Magnolia
check
Table.
out the Magnolia Table. They say there's a long wait, but we just want to go check it out. Maybe get something to go. Yeah? Let's go. I'm here at the Magnolia Table, and they're actually closing at 3, so it looks like we're not going to be able to eat here today. I'm just looking to come see it.
It's a beautiful day today.
Now we gotta go home. And it was raining too.
Raining and kind of hot.
We are done with Waco. We just left the Magnolia Table. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
That was fun. Julie, she's like tired. It's ready for a nap. Now we're driving back to Houston to catch our flight to go home.
Went by so fast.
You know, we'll be back soon, hopefully. Uh-oh. Out of disk space. You ready to go home? Huh, Jules? You're relaxing, huh? You ready to go home, Mama? It's been a long trip, huh? Hi guys, so I'm back in Las Vegas now. I just wanted to show you a little haul of what I got at Magnolia. First, I'm pretty sad because when I went to look at my stuff, this broke. It's my mug. It's a Magnolia mug and it's like all shattered. I'm sad because this is the one I really wanted. It's the one that Joanna uses on Fixer Upper, and if you can see, it is not cheap. It's like $25, $24. So I don't know if I'm gonna try to like put it back together or maybe order a new one. I don't know. We'll see. So super bummed about that. But moving on, I got a lot of clothes, pretty much mainly clothes. I got this Magnolia hoodie. The quality is super soft and I love the color. It comes with the pockets. I know it's going to be warm soon, but I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. I got a t-shirt that has a little farmhouse on it. So, I had to get that. The Magnolia SILOS. Got a tank top for the summer. And all of this is really good quality, like really soft material. Demo Day. I had to get the Demo Day t-shirt. I'm a really big fan of chips also. It says Magnolia on the back. And then I got a navy Demo Day cap. And then I went upstairs to the other store and found this cutting board. Obviously I'm not going to be using it. I'm going to pretty much be displaying it in my kitchen. It's super soft and smooth. I mean, not soft, but it's smooth. The Magnolia name is indented and it's stained. And I heard it was made there. The register girl told me that her brother helped out in some of the production. I don't know. But I love that. When I went to the Magnolia Table, I got this napkin. So I'll probably put those together somehow and like display it. I'll like probably drape it or something. But yeah, super cute. I didn't get anything else because I didn't have a lot of room in my luggage. So the girl that told me, or the girl that was helping us in the store, was saying that it's better just to order online because we can find a lot of the items online and we wouldn't have to pay for packaging. And there was like a really long line too to like purchase anything in the store to get delivered. So I did see a wooden clock on there that I showed on the video. And then there was these kind of matching candlesticks that I displayed also on our video, and I'll put it up there. But I wanted to order those. And then there were these silk flowers. The silk flowers were super good quality, so I'm gonna order some of those. I love the tulips and I love the peonies, so I'm gonna get those. They're super soft too, and they look real, so I'm gonna get those. pretty much that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.